Спасибо.
Very cold outside.
Very freaking cold. That's boss. Look who's here. Ilya.
GTR. Drifto.
So we made it to Grodno.
Drifto, Japan.
Righto guys. So we got here. They started filming this morning. You can clearly see there's a lot of marks here. I got told there's only been 3 runs. Looks like there's been a lot more. Oh no, 3 of the actual filmed runs. They were testing this earlier. Should not be legal. Morning, Ilya. How are you?
I want to be like Kanye, you know, when the paparazzi came and like, good morning, Kanye. Shut the up.
This guy. Never PG rated ever. Dima, what is this? Oh, music, music, let's go. Let's go. This thing's got a freaking heater? Hey!
How are you doing?
Good, bro. You?
So, I'm fine. Go there, we film you.
Okay.
Just chilling here.
Who would have thought? 3 Aussies in Belarus.
You know, a couple Aussies walking to Belarus.
Jesus
What do you
Christ.
say? A couple Aussies walking to Belarus. What is that's on proof.
Please don't get killed. Are you gonna?
Oh, he's fine there.
Bro, it's over there. Like,
Yeah.
people standing in front of the
Oh, you think about it. If he goes to flick it, hits the curb.
And I
No,
just...
he's not getting here, he's killing them.
they're
Oh,
all
that's
there.
true. That's true. Still can't get over the frickin' the buildings here. It's just insane. Looks so cool. No matter where you're shooting. Anyway, they're gonna do a few more runs here, and then we'll go to the next location more than likely. I think Fink and Messmer are gonna do some driving. Could be wrong, but they just got taken away. Everything's always a secret until last minute. We don't know anything. We just do as we're told. It's pretty cool. Quick little interesting fact. You have to pay for the toilets here. Where are we going now, Ilya?
To the base.
Okay. Let's go get some banana. So every day at 12 o'clock, this dude brings his trumpet out and plays his song. Every single day.
Every day at midday.
Jesus.
At 12 sharp.
Woo. That is a view. Next to a pallet of cement. You like fishing?
Yeah, yeah.
Happy, reel it in.
Oh shit. King Castle. That'll do.
From 16th or 17th century, there was a king, and his name was Stefan Batory. So he died unexpectedly in 16th century because I don't know it just from myself. Yesterday we had a city tour, and a guy told me that.
Oh.
So he died unexpectedly in 1585.
Yep.
In Europe, they built the first I don't know how it's called properly, but they opened his body to find the reason why he died.
Oh.
And it was the first case of body opening in Europe. And one of the possible reasons was poison.
Oh.
Yeah, so the reason for that, he was like from Hungary, from Transylvania, and he wasn't so close to like royal people or people who were in charge of Grodno, so they couldn't protect him.
Jeez.
Yeah.
That's crazy. And this is crazy too. Fausto, professional photographer. Look at this. That is so freaking cool. Oh, and also, they're going to be drifting down here next. There's a bridge. Obviously there's a bridge there, but they drift down the hill and around down there. It's going to be sick. Did a quick little runner while everyone's having lunch. I just wanted to show you guys. Like, look at all this craziness. Oh, where's the tank? There it is. Look at the tank. Yeah. I don't know what this building is, but she's a freaking rip snorter. Anyway, I'm gonna go for a little bit of a walk. See how much trekking I can do before I get told off. I knew me buddy in America had a freaking side hustle. This is how he makes all his freaking money. Huh? Hey Hop, you own a pub in freaking Belarus. So I hope you guys enjoy this random footage. It's probably not really entertaining, but it is for me, because all this is so foreign and just, there's so much history in it, you know? You know what I mean? Also, just appreciation for how they freaking built this stuff back in, you know, 16 freaking hundreds or whatever, 18, even 1800s. Like, it's on the side of a freaking cliff face. Not cliff face, but you know what I mean. I wanted to build a house. I wouldn't be like, oh yeah, you see that giant hill? Yeah, let's chuck it on there. Find a bit of flat land. See, over there. Yeah, we'll build the castle there. I suppose it's got to be at the top of the hill. Because, you know, king of the castle. Shut up, Squid. Anyway, back to it. So I'm down in the corner section now. And check out where they're doing their scrubbing. What's crazy is, since my shoot, where there was no warm-up area, nowhere to do anything, they have since learned that everywhere must have a warm-up section for the tyres. So, lucky I was a test bunny, hey? Here's the Dima! What a legend! Woo! Up there watching. They said for me to stay here for now. I'll scoot down the other end in a sec. Do you know how I was saying, actually I don't know if I've said it on the channel yet, but how respectful this country is to their people and everyone, even outside, whatever, foreigners. They've just stopped the whole scene, movie set, to let this dude walk up the hill. This allowed me to get up here to get a better shot as well. So this should be really good. I totally was watching the cars and I was not worried about where I was going. Sorry guys, that would have, I think it just panned straight out of the whole thing. It's freaking cool. It'd be cool if like you didn't have to ride the brake, but it's still freaking sick. And it's on pavers, it's so crazy.
We will drift there. この道でを振り返するみたいな。Turn back, like, and then.
So good.
Tomorrow in 8 it will start there. But Ilya says that if you wanna sleep, you can come there later. For example, in 10 or 11. I will come there in 8.